Good morning, my name is Ben. I want to show you a new app that we're building. It's designed for home care practitioners that use a clinic-based system like Clinico. This is all test data, so there's no confidentiality or anything like that. So what you can see is we've created a whole bunch of appointments inside Clinico to mimic what it might look like for a home care practitioner. Then what you can do is you can come over to our imports tab and you create a new import for the date ranges, whatever you want to set there. If you also have a location that you keep separate to a clinic, you can filter based on what location you're using, and then you hit search. And what that's doing is it's talking to Clinico and finding all these appointments in here. Then you go start import. In the background, what it's doing is it's getting all the appointments from here, bringing them over into our app, and you'll notice that, look, now it's done. So these appointments will appear in our appointments tab. So you select your date and your practitioner, and here, this is where the good part starts to happen. So what we'll do is we'll reset that. That's some previous work we've done. So it's found the appointments on Wednesday the 8th of May, and it's put them into this app, and you'll notice that it's calculating the travel for each of those appointments, and it's displaying them on the map over here. So you'll be able to immediately know how much you're traveling between appointments and how much you're traveling on a whole day. There's also a report in here which we'll go in a second, which gives you travel over a period of time, for example, a fortnight for pay reasons. So yeah, here's the appointments. Now, let's say that you wanted to optimize these appointments to find the best order to do them in. You can go to routes and you hit create a route. You can, find these appointments in here. You can determine if you want to start at the first appointments location, which is typically how most home visit businesses work, or you can set it to a practitioner location. You can optimize. What that does is that optimizes around an order, or you can optimize it from the practitioner's location. And then it's creating all the arrival times based on the duration of the appointment and the travel time in between. And then you hit save. Now what that's doing is that has changed the order of these appointments to be an optimized order. So with the calculation to minimize the amount of travel, and then you can see that the order's changed. If you wanted to move it around slightly, you can come back into this window and you can change appointments like that, and then hit update, and you'll notice that Kristen Lee has now become second, and the order's no longer optimized, but it still looks like it's not too bad. Yeah, so that's the app. We also have some appointment reports, which is a list of all the appointments in the app. We have travel reports. It says how much you've traveled between two specific dates. It has practitioner calculations, and it has the distances. Remember that the first appointment of the day is usually considered outside of work hours, so we don't do travel for that appointment, but you can set from practitioner location, which will include that. We also have a report to find people in your database that have missing addresses. So if you have any clients that don't have their address in, they'll appear here. And then the theory, we haven't quite built this yet, but it's coming soon, is the export function. what you'll do is once you've made all those changes, you'll come in here and then you can export the updated appointment times into Clinico, and it will change. The appointment times for these appointments. So yeah, we think it's a really good app. I think it will be great for home care businesses that are trying to use clinic-based systems to operate, because it is a lot more intuitive and has calculations of travel and those important things. It'll help you see more patients. It'll help you reduce travel time. It'll help you reduce emissions. All those things are really important. So that's all for now. Just wanted to show you what we're up to, and there's lots to come in the future. Thank you.